Lot number 225 is a Quincy compressor. This thing has been sitting out here for just about a year, exposed to the weather, shows some surface rust. This is a heavy duty compressor. It appears to have two motors, one on this side and one on this side. It's got a whole electrical panel here. Working conditions are unknown. It's being sold as scrap. It's been sitting outside for a long time. Unknown if it was working when removed. Unknown if there's parts missing. What you see here is what you get. It's a Quincy air compressor. Good luck. Lot 225.